In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi direct setup of HP DeskJet 2955 all-in-one printer. So we are going to use the inbuilt Wi-Fi of this printer. First, go to the printer control panel. Go to the printer control panel and look for the Wi-Fi direct icon. It should be just above the tricolor ink icon. Right now it's not activated. Press the wireless button once. It should activate the Wi-Fi direct that is there. Now press the information button once. Wait for the printer. It will print the information page. On the printer information page, look for the Wi-Fi direct icon. You will see the name of the printer and below is the password of this printer. This is different for each printer. Go to your smartphone. First we have to download the HP app. In the App Store, type in HP. That's the HP app. We have to download it. Once you download it, go to the Wi-Fi setting of your smartphone. Look for the HP DeskJet 2900 series. If you don't see it, refresh the Wi-Fi. That's our printer's name, HP DeskJet 2900 series. Select it. Enter the password as printed on the page. Click on the join. We are connected with the Wi-Fi. Now go to the HP app and open this app. In the app, to add the printer, click on the plus button. Select the second option, add an existing printer, add device. Select HP DekJet 2900 series. Instantly it will add up the printer and we can see printer with estimated level of ink, and from here we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. That's the Wi-Fi direct setup of the printer. Thanks for watching.